What's up, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at an upcoming Legionary ring I'm working on in two different styles, Embossed versus Debossed. Quick test I decided to do in order to see how the different art styles plate in my bath setups. The results were absolutely stunning. Let's get these rings conductive and do this. Both rings adhere to great base layer of copper, though they will need a little wet sanding before we continue. What a shine! You can see that lovely mirror finish on each ring. The debossed ring did have some minor imperfections in the debossed image, and the current struggled to reach all the recesses in the lettering, but these are things I can improve on. The embossed ring turned out absolutely stunning. I cannot believe how well the lettering plated. I honestly assumed all detail would be lost in the process. All in all, I'm very happy with these results, and I'm going to continue to perfect these designs as I work on them. Let me know which ring y'all think plated better, or which style you prefer. Till next time, folks.